In this episode, we'll be showing you our GPU cleaning service. As you can see, this customer's PC is absolutely dirty, and for GPUs, that severely affects performance. We'll start off with dusting off the surface of the GPU with a blower, including the fans, and we'll proceed with disassembly. We'll take care to gently remove any headers, as these are really easy to break. We use thermalpad.eu to research the thickness of the thermal pads used in the GPUs, and for this, it's 1.5 millimeters. We'll go ahead with the deep clean as well as the removal of the thermal paste in the GPU die itself. We use a 100% alcohol solution, so it's safe with electronics. We'll then remove the heatsink so we can thoroughly clean the fans. Watch out for part 2 in our channel.